Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. We're going to be doing a giveaway live in this video. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of June. It is the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to that giveaway, so you can check that one out. I also have many other giveaways going on. Some of you have dubbed me the queen of giveaways, and I'll take that title. Biggest rule for all my giveaways is you must be a subscriber to my channel. I do check and watch this video in its entirety. So today we are unboxing the premium Boxycharm box for the month of June. So if that sounds interesting to you, keep on watching and keep on watching for that giveaway. I'll let you know in a little bit what you need to do to enter it. So the Boxycharm box is for the premium is $35 a month. They do ship out 6 full-size items for that. They also have the base box, which is $25 a month, and they also have the Luxe box, which is $50, and that's every quarter, and you'll get your Luxe box instead of your base box. So my Luxe box is the next one that we will unbox. I do have a link for Boxycharm if you're interested in checking them out, and it'll get you some extra bonus points, and it'll get me some extra bonus points as well. So let's find out what's in here. So there is a card, says Boxycharm Oasis, and I have version number 56. So the first product that I'm pulling out is from Nars. It is their Powerful Lip Pigment, retails for $26. Mine is in the shade Call Me. And potency and precision, the ultimate power couple. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Liquid pigment with a zero gravity feel introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long lasting wear. Sensorial, lightweight texture that applies like an ink on the lips. That doesn't make any sense to me, ink on the lips, but whatever. This is a really pretty kind of rose color. I think I'm not going to open it because I'm going to pass this one on to a friend. I don't do a lot of liquid lips, especially matte ones. So, like I said, I am going to pass this one along. Oh, I'm excited about this one. This is from Glow Recipe. It's the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. If you're new to my channel, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks, let you know what I think. So I'm excited about this one. The Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. The super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother hydrated skin with each use. Use as a wash-off, flash facial, or overnight mask for a deep recovery. Retails for $49. Look for this in an upcoming masking review series. From Living Proof is the Restore Instant Projector Weightless Heat and UV Protection. It's a weightless spray that adds shine while protecting against heat and UV damage. Retails for $28. I'm excited about this one. Because don't forget, your scalp needs some UV protection too. I also like that it gives it a little extra shine as well. So the next thing is from Billion Dollar Brows. It is a Sculpting Duo brush. retails for $30. The simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour, contour sides, densely packed angled brush, applies to targeted areas, then buffs and blends for a sculpted look. Highlighter side, tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on your face. So I store all of mine in a container, and I mean, this is great for when you're traveling. You know, it takes, you know, from 2 brushes to 1, but I can't store this. So I'm going to be passing this one along. From Too Faced is the Cocoa Contour Palette, retails for $44. And lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you've ever experienced. The buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for a diffuse, subtle contour, so natural and effortlessly. All they'll see is the perfect bone structure. This is really pretty. And your mirror on this side. Look how pretty those are. Oh, it smells like a Wendy's Frosty, is what it smells like to me. So I don't do a ton of contouring, so I think I'm going to pass this one along to somebody who can get more use out of it than I will. Finally, a NATASHA DENONA product. They've been putting more of those in their premium boxes lately. So this is the eyeliner pencil. Retails for $18. Mine is in the shade light blue. And this NATASHA's eyeliner pencil is highly pigmented, applies smoothly, and has a super creamy texture. Can be applied on the waterline or on the lash line to accentuate any eye look. Super wearable. The pencil is completely versatile, and it can be used to create precise, crisp lines or smudged out smoky look. And here's what the shade kind of looks like. So I don't do a ton of colorful eyeliners, so I think we're gonna give away a NATASHA DENONA product. What? So it was an okay box. I mean, I was excited about this, the retinol, and I was excited about this. Everything else I'm not really gonna use, so I've had better premium boxes. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on something. Some of you guys have been asking about my son's graduation because I've talked about it in past videos. I only have one child, and he was set to graduate high school in the middle of all this craziness. So Idaho went in, and especially the county that I live in, went in to stage 4, which is where they could have gatherings of more than 50 people. They put off the graduation until then. They did the graduation. It was super, super cool. Everybody, the kids were all 9 feet apart from one another, and the parents, and it was just parents and siblings of the kids, were in little groups, and it was just, everybody was spread out, and they did it really safely. So I'll put a couple pictures here from this little graduation. Anyway, it was super fun, and it was super nice, and thank you guys for all your kind thoughts and everything for him. And now I get to look forward to him going off to college in a couple months. Anyway, for the giveaway, I'm super excited for one of you guys to get a NATASHA DENONA product. So All my giveaways, I use a Google form. I'll put that link in the description box down below. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put your YouTube name on there so that way I can check to make sure that you are a subscriber. Like I said, watch this video in its entirety and I do check to make sure that you are subscribed. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. I have purchased the products on my own. Giveaway is open internationally, although I'm not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, anything like that to get to your country, nor if it's lost or damaged in shipping. You must be 18 years or older in order to enter. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Alma, AMA, and the letter B. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying so hard to get this thing monetized. I'm super close on my subscribers, and I just need my watch time minutes because that's where I'm really lagging behind to get up. So if you can help me out with that, that would be great. So we'll have this giveaway go through July 22nd. On July 23rd, I will go ahead and pick the winner. I do use a random number generator in order to pick the winner. That way it is fair to everyone. I'm super excited for one of you guys. NATASHA DENONA, that's awesome. You guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Please stay safe and good luck to y'all on the giveaway. I will see you soon. Bye.